Okay, hola amigos. Hello Northern, how are you today? I'm glad to be with you. We have another activity. This activity was in the package that was sent to you in March. It's one of my favorite ones, and that's why I decided to have like a draw along with you. Not sure how many of you did it, so then this is what we're gonna do. Mandalas. Mandalas is a circle with more circles that has a symmetric design. The left looks just like the right, and the up looks just like the bottom part. So, and it's all symmetric. That's what we're going to do today. I went around the house and I looked for circles, things that have circles. I found one of the painting dishes and a lid and a tape, and I'm going to see if this is enough for us to do our little mandala. So, and you go and you look for yourself, and I forgot to tell you that I'm here in our notebook. Remember, always the notebook, our notebook. So then here I have the larger circle. I'll come in with a Sharpie. I'll draw the lines. And once I have my lines, I go back and look for something else. I have a tape. I like this tape because I can have two circles. The one on the outside and the one in the inside. I think that afterwards I'll look for something else here maybe. Not sure yet. And definitely this one in the middle. So now I can do different kind of designs in the middle to kind of call the attention. Maybe I have a dot and I would do like some flower petals to start off. Here are my flower petals, and maybe I decide to draw some dots here in this little space. And now I have a nice, interesting start off. I can have some lines that are kind of like up and down like this, up and down, up and down, up and down. And I'm starting to have that space in the middle of them. So now so I can find something else to place there. Maybe I can draw a star. So I have a star in each one of them. So here I have my stars. Remember, it has to be symmetric. So if I draw something here, I want to draw it here. And then I want to draw it on the left and then on the right. And then I'll do it like the same here, and I go all the way straight down, so it'll be like in front of it. And like that is how I make it symmetric. I like that. So since I'm all about dots, here they go again. Dot to the dots. Maybe I want some more lines. So maybe I can divide my circles in half. And then I color them in two different colors. One up and one in the bottom, and so on. Over here, I still have this large space, and I'm going to think about it, but also I can make a design. So more or less, this is what I have, and then let's start with the colors. We're going to use today the pencil colors. Like I was telling you on in another video, we really enjoy Crayola because it's not very expensive. It's like in the middle, going in the lower price, and it has enough pigments, and when I'm working, something happens. Sometimes you have some colors, you color, no color, or barely color. These have a nice, strong, rich color that makes our work better. Don't forget about your little container, the lid. The pencil sharpener is so important in order to use your color pencil. So when you just start coloring and you don't have the same colors touching each other. So in here I have decided to start out with red, and I'm going to skip one of the petals. One yes and one no. And like that, I am sure that I'll have different colors. Then I'm coming in with this blue. I just like this blue so much. I'm going to put a lot of this blue aqua in my drawing because I just love it. I did this one heart. If you see how rich it is, the red is not that hard, but I can come in with orange and start combining two colors together. And look how interesting it starts being. Okay, in the back, maybe the back I'm going to use a pink. And if I have soft little circles, that allows me to come down inside of it again with another color. And here we go, we keep on combining colors, which makes it interesting. All this is looking for interest. Let's see what happens if I put a little bit of orange in it. Oh, look how nice. Even though I have orange in the red, it looks completely different because this one is in the pink. So now here I put my little orange. I can still come in with the pink and go over it and make it even richer. And look at this, how amazing. I want to show you close. So in here you just play with your colors and you keep on working. You don't need to finish this today. You can just come back and keep on working with it. And meanwhile, we have a few minutes and I want to show you something very important. We talked about the box. I finished mine. You don't need to finish yours. It's more you can each day do a little bit by little bit. I finished collage the lid. And this side I worked with the black Sharpie. I did all kind of designs. Here we have collage as well. More designs and more designs. Even if you have not finished, you can place all your supplies in here. You can put your little notebooks, markers, crayons. I'll put in my color pencils in here. If you can still stay with your boxes, take care of them until they last. And then you can use your... those little baggies, the Ziplocs, are great to store stuff in it. You put it all in your box. You don't have things running all over the house. Mommy won't be mad because you have a mess. You put it all in your box and here you go. You walk around with your box. About the work you had the last time. I hope you have finished writing your name. Please, if you have, send me a picture of it. And then the second picture, you can write more words and things that you love. We combined the Crayola, remember that. I used Sharpie, forgot about it. So, and it passed to my next page, and what I did, I just glue it together. Yesterday, I did a video, and guess what? By mistake, I erased it. So now I have already started doing one mandala. I have to do another one. And then I started again, and guess what? It happened again. So now I have two mandalas. And then today, I have 3. Is that bad? No. I'm going to finish them all and show it to you the next time. Over here, the background, that was with marker. The only thing what I did was sideways. Do like some little lines and then change the color. These are just lines with different colors. Look how interesting it is. That is something that you can try to make interesting your background, or you can do something else. And like always, your picture does not have to look like mine. Don't forget about that. Make it yours. However you like it, you can do it. So that's all for today. I'll see you next week, and bye, Northern. Missing you, amigos. Adios. Adios. I hope I see you soon. Bye. Enjoy. Enjoy and send me pictures. I want to put it up in the website. Bye.